Hi friends, viewers. Previously, I explained how to download Supreme Court judgments and other High Court judgments and what are the important websites are available for downloading judgments free of cost. Now, go through the important website Legal Information Institute of India www.lii of India. Go through in this website. It is very useful for law students as well as those who are practicing as advocate. It is very useful for this site downloading judgments in the year 1952 till date. Please go through the website now. Go through the website www.liiofindia.org. Type here, the website will appear. Legal Information Institute of India, LII of India. So latest judgment is available June. This is June 8th Supreme Court judgment. There is a option, downloading option. Click here to download and print option is there. Left side of the page. It is free of cost. We will download here. There is options, search options and database information also available. Supreme Court of India. See here 1950 to 2020 all Supreme Court judgments are available in this site. It is very useful for advocates. This is 2000 judgments from January onwards. So every year judgments are available monthly wise. So search name here, search option for judgments, obtaining judgments. Advanced search page. This is advanced search page. Go through the home page. Again there is a database informations and search options is available. Go through the home page, Legal Information Institute of India. So in this page several options are there. See here, All India Reporter judgments although are there available. Go to the past recent announcements. This is June 2017 Law Research Series, Nalsar Law College Research Series are there. This is very useful for law students and also advocates. All law schools informations also available in this site. Research series also available. Go through the home page again. This is All India Reporter judgments. All India Reporter in the year 1907 to 1948. Some important judgments are available in this site. Go through the All India Reporter nations beginning with A. So this is party names. If you need any judgments, click there. And again go through the Calcutta. 69. Some important judgments are available in this site. This is downloading option is also available. With the right side, downloading option, print option also available. So all India reporters judgments also available. Go through the next page, scrolling this page. All state database information is also available in this site. Kindly subscribe my channel for more legal updates. Go through the Andhra Pradesh acts, some important acts available from 1923 to 2007. So all states important acts, some database information is available in the site. It is very useful for law students and also law research scholars. Subscribe my channel for more legal updates. Previously partner institutions in this institute, all law colleges in India. Some important law colleges in India are also sponsoring this site, funding, supporting, etc. details. Please kindly go through the other informations. Thank you viewers. Thank you viewers. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.